Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Welcome back. I'm showing you today these lights, under counter lights, that are under cabinet lights. Work like a dream. Put them in, hook them up to a wireless remote dimmer switch. Wireless remote dimmer switch. That's sweet. And hi everyone, this is Wayne. I want to show you this switch here. This is a wireless dimmer switch. I've got it hooked up to lights. I don't know if you can see them over here. You'll see them when they come on. But turn them on. Turn them off. Turn them back on now. Here's the dimmer function. You can just go with a little more than a night light if you want, or full blast. Now this also pulls off the wall here, and it's a remote that you can carry around with you and lose it. Okay, I guess that's why you carry it around, so you can lose it. But it's got a simple, typical watch battery in it. You can see it pulls out of the wall mount, and it's a remote that you can carry around with you and lose, or you can leave it in the wall where it belongs. That's just me. I'd lose it. So anyway, this thing works great. The switch was perfect for these lights, but the lights are bright. They're dimmable. Nice LED technology, and different. They've got the daylight, the office. You know how you got the different brightnesses for or intensities for the lights. That's got all those 3 different settings, and it's beautiful. My aunt and uncle, who I did this for, love it, and you can get you some of these too. Thanks. Bye now.